All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. What an amazing day. We are talking about vocabulary, right? That vocabulary that makes a difference in all of our lives because we are smarter than we think we are. We just don't know the right words to say sometimes, right? And so as the special ed professor and just talking about some cool words, today's word is chicanery. Chicanery, Chicanery. And the reason I have to look down and look at it because there's no way I'm gonna be able to spell this stuff without it, right? So chicanery, a deceptive or sly behavior, and often done on the internet. And so, but what I think of is that trickery, that thing that people do, like when my wife wants me, to get something out of the car or something. So, oh, something's going outside. Can you go check? And then like, oh, by the way, on your way back, can you open up the car or whatever and bring me something that's out of it? That's trickery, that's chicanery. And so when you're using that chicanery, use that word, say stop. Please stop being so chicanerous, right? I always add these extra endings, right? I don't know what chicanerying is or chicaneried. Can you do that? Can you be chicaneried? But the chicanery, absolutely. Chicanery, that mischievous trickery. You gotta stop doing it, right? So we'll have another word tomorrow. Have an amazing day.